we work in the training, always we have this in our mind.
So for you, space.
Yes, it's important. It's the most important football space because always with the ball you try to find space. Yeah. Without ball you try to close the space. I'm sure Rayon Sports is more big club than APR. I talk about the club, the fans.
How?
The fans, because we have many fans.
What the meaning?
Ni ikihe gisobanuro cya tatuwaje zawe?
Uyu ni data ndetse na mama. Nabanje kubura mama ubwo yitabaga Imana bituma nshyiraho tatu ye. Nyuma data atabarutse nawe nshyiraho iye. Byari inkuru y'akababaro kuko mama yapfuye mbere y'amasaha 10 ngo umukino nari ngiye gutoza utangire. Uranyumva? Nyuma y'uko apfuye uwo mukino narawutoje rwose, niyo minota 90 yangoye mu buzima bwanjye. Uwo mukino nkaba narawunganyije.
You understand? After my mother died,
you go to.
Yes.
How do you manage that?
This is my difficult 90 minutes in my life. But after
you won or you lose?
I draw.
Okay.
And after.
Nyuma na data yaje gupfa mbere y'amasaha 5 ngo ntoze undi mukino. Nawo kandi narawunganyije.
I draw again.
Olá. Tudo bem?
Muito obrigado. Prazer também meu.
You understand that?
Yes.
I can try the Portuguese.
You speak Portuguese.
Yeah. So thank you for having us. Tell me, did you sometimes get...
Rimwe na rimwe ujya ubabazwa n'ibibazo ubazwa n'itangazamakuru rya siporo rya hano mu Rwanda, yaba mu busesenguzi bakora, mu bibazo babaza n'ibindi?
Or stories they do about your work?
Normally I have a very good relationship with the press because you know in my country when I am in holidays and sometimes last year
umwaka ushize nafashe ikiruhuko kubera icyorezo cya COVID-19. Icyo gihe nari umusesenguzi kuri televiziyo, niyo mpamvu numva akazi kanyu. Ntekereza ko mu itangazamakuru gukora akazi neza bidasaba guhimba ibinyoma ku bwanjye. Ushobora kumvuga neza, kumvuga nabi cyangwa se ukavuga ikipe yanjye nabi. Ni ubusesenguzi bwawe. Nje ndicara nkisuzuma nkareba aho nakoze amakosa. Nza amakosa yanjye, ndi umuntu ushobora gukora ikosa runaka. Rimwe na rimwe abatoza bakora amakosa, gusa ayo makosa adufasha kwiga no kuzamura urwego. Niyo mpamvu ntikomye ubusesenguzi runaka, mvuze ku binyamakuru bimwe na bimwe bihimba amakuru y'ibinyoma.
This is my mistake. No, we make mistakes. Sometimes the coach make mistakes.
Yeah, sure.
And this mistakes is good for we learn and we improve and we become better after. That's why I don't talk about this press analysis. I talk about the same press put many news, fake news.
I see difference in...
Ndabona itandukaniro mu ikipe ufite uyu munsi ugereranyije niyo wari ufite ukiza watangiye ugorwa cyane mu mikino ya mbere watsinzwe na Mukura. Niki wakoze nk'impinduka kuri ikipe?
You try to run your team but now you see the confidence in players, the way they are controlling the game.
The quality
have you exactly what have you changed like coaching staff, what you did to make this team
when we start we have one.
Igihe twatangiraga twari dufite uburyo bumwe bwo gukina. Icyo twakoze tweretse abakinnyi icyo twifuza gukora, tubereka icyerekezo. Ni ibisanzwe ugiye kubaka inzu ntiwahita uhera mu igorofa rya kabiri cyangwa se rya gatatu, uhera hasi. N'umupira rero ukenera igihe. Abantu baravuga ngo mu mupira nta gihe gisabwa. Ibyo bibaho iyo mufite komite idafite icyerekezo. Ariko niba uzanye umutoza ukamubwira uti ugomba gutsinda imikino 2 cyangwa 3 ikurikira, icyo gihe nta gahunda ibihari. Niba uzanye umutoza umwe, 2, 3 cyangwa 4 ubirukana, ndatekereza ko icyo gihe hagahindutse umuyobozi w'ikipe aho kuba abatoza.
In the season change 1, 2, 3 or 4 times the coach. I think you have to change the president, not the coach.
So about your team still, I know
tukiri ku ikipe yawe n'ubundi ndabizi abatoza ntimukunda kuvuga ku mukinnyi umwe kuri umwe, ariko nyemerera nkubaze iki kibazo ku bazamu, kubera ko ni umwanya w'ingenzi mu kibuga, ni umwanya udakunze guhindagurika. Ukihagera wasanze Adolphe ari we nimero ya mbere, nyuma uza guha umwanya Kwizera Olivier aza kumutwara umwanya, byatewe n'iki?
What about that decision and what is the impact of Olivier nowadays?
No, we have
dufite abanyezamu batatu beza, Bonheur, Adolphe na Olivier. Nkihagera Olivier yahise avunika, ari nabyo byatumye mu mikino ya mbere nkinisha Adolphe. Nyuma yaho Olivier avuye mu mvune yazamuye urwego ndabibona, niko kumuha umwanya, ariko tunagendeye ku byo dushaka gukina Olivier ajyanye n'ibyo nifuza. Gusa Adolphe ni umunyezamu mwiza ukiri muto kandi w'umunyamwuga. Ikindi aracyari muto, ku myaka 20 navuga ko akiri muto.
And we decide for our idea and this moment Olivier is better for our team. But also Adolphe is very good player, very good professional, and I think he's the future goalkeeper in the national team in Rwanda.
Yeah.
Because he's a kid, 20 years.
Yeah, sure.
He's young.
But I can stick on goalkeepers.
Kuri Olivier Kwizera bamwe hano mu Rwanda bashidikanya ku bunyamwuga bwe. Hari amakuru aherutse kuvugwa ko agera ku myitozo akererewe, nibyo?
Is that true or fake?
It's not true. It's not true.
Ibyo sibyo rwose. Olivier yaba atari umunyamwuga simba mukinisha. Icyo nicyo gisubizo. Ngitangira hano imyitozo ya mbere, bamwe mu bakinnyi bazaga bakererewe, ndababwira nti mwumve nshuti, ibi sibyo, igihe kuri nge ni ikintu cy'ingirakamaro. Reka mbabwire ikintu mutazi. Umukinnyi witwa Mitima yarari mu bakinnyi 11 nagombaga kubanzamo ku mukino twari tugiye gukinira i Huye na Mukura. Mbere yo kugenda yaje atinze. Nahise mugumiza i Kigali, ayo niyo mategeko yanjye. Ikipe yanjye igomba kugendera ku mategeko. Ni nabyo mpora mbwira abakinnyi, niba wifuza gukina ku rwego rwo hejuru ugomba kugira ikinyabupfura. Uramutse ugiye gukina muri Portugal ntiwubahiriza amategeko barakujugunya.
In Portugal, if you don't have rules, forget my friend, because the rules, discipline is the most important in football. Strong group. If you don't have like this, you can win 1 time, 2 times, but after you can.
About Rwanda.
Hanyuma ku mupira w'u Rwanda muri rusange watubwiye ko watoje ahantu henshi hatandukanye. N'irihe tandukaniro ry'umupira w'u Rwanda n'uwahandi watoje, yaba uko bakina, uko bategura imikino? Itandukaniro ry'umupira w'u Rwanda n'uwahandi ni irihe?
The quality. Here the players have more quality.
Ahangaha abakinnyi bafite ubushobozi, ikibura wenda rimwe na rimwe ni imitekerereze y'abakinnyi. Ariko ubushobozi abakinnyi barabufite, natwe tugomba kugerageza kubazamurira imitekerereze. Gusa nanone ku mupira w'u Rwanda ndatekereza ko hagakwiye gutekerezwa cyane ku miyoborere. Nk'iyi ngengabihe ya shampiyona iragoye hano mu Rwanda, ikwiriye guhinduka. Usanga abantu bakina imikino myinshi yegeranye, nyamara bakazamara igihe kinini badakina.
Yes, after you understand?
Yeah,
also this expect, because this is important. This is not rich people,
Okay.
you know, and the people left the club.